Hey guys, it's Miss Borgnis. Today we're gonna be making some buffalo chicken dip. Definitely a fan favorite, something to make for a game day and a quick snack as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna boil some chicken. So I already got the water boiling over here for me. I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm gonna plop it in. Now you can use canned chicken if you want, there's nothing wrong with that. I just prefer to do fresh. And we're gonna let that boil for a little while. My favorite trick and something that I just learned recently is that you can totally use your mixer to shred chicken, and I will never shred chicken with a fork again. It's so easy. You're gonna put your mixer down, lock it up, and then just let it spin. We're going to add our hot sauce. And this is just the regular Frank's Red Hot, but you can use whatever type of hot sauce you like best. That's totally fine. And we're gonna add our cream cheese. And we're gonna add our ranch, and we're gonna put a little extra ranch in because I'm a big ranch fan. Then you're just gonna take any size pan, depending on how thick you want it to be, and your rubber scraper, you're gonna take your mixer off, and we're gonna dump it right into our pan and spread it out so it is nice and even, because we're gonna add in some cheese on top to make it a nice little party spread. And now we're gonna go put it in the oven.